Hello my dear learners, today we will discuss different kinds of adjectives. So our topic today is adjectives and their kinds. In a previous class you have already studied about what an adjective is under the parts of speech. So as you already know, an adjective is a word that qualifies a noun. That means it gives some information about the noun, or it is something added to the noun. तो एडजेक्टिव वो वर्ड है जो हम लोगों को किसी नॉन के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है, या एडजेक्टिव्स वो वर्ड्स है जो नॉन को क्वालिफाई करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, क्लेवर फॉक्स. हियर द वर्ड क्लेवर, it is saying something about the noun fox, means it is giving some information about the noun fox, or it is qualifying the noun fox. Therefore clever here is an adjective. This you have already learned. The adjectives are divided into 5. They are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, adjectives of demonstration or demonstrative adjectives, adjectives of possession or possessive adjectives. So these are the 5 different kinds of adjectives that we are going to learn one by one here. So you shouldn't be confused with adjectives of demonstration or demonstrative adjectives. They are the same thing. Adjectives of possession and possessive adjectives, they are also the same. So first one is adjectives of quality. So what are adjectives of quality? Adjectives that tell what kind of a person or thing is or called adjectives of quality. They tell the quality of nouns. So adjectives of quality वो adjectives है जो nouns के quality के बारे में बताता है. तो adjectives of quality हमको ये बताता है कि कोई इंसान किस प्रकार का है, कोई चीज़ किस प्रकार का है, कोई पशु या पक्षी किस प्रकार का है. What kind of a person or thing or animal or bird. So such adjectives giving information about what kind of a person, thing, animal or bird, they are called adjectives of quality. For example, I read an interesting story last night. So in this sentence, the underlined word interesting gives some information of the noun story. So what kind of a story? Interesting. That means interesting is the adjective of quality here. Second sentence, my mother prepares delicious dishes. Here again the underlined word delicious. This is an adjective. So it is giving some information about the noun dishes. What kind of dishes? Delicious. That means delicious is an adjective of quality here. So when you ask a question, what kind of noun is, and if you are getting the answer, that means that adjective is adjective of quality. Then second one is adjective of quantity. What are adjectives of quantity? Adjectives that tell us how much of a thing we are talking about are called adjectives of quantity. They tell us the quantity of nouns. So एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी वो एडजेक्टिव्स है जो हम लोगों को ये बताता है कि कोई चीज़ कितनी मात्रा में है, हाउ मच ऑफ अ थिंग. कोई इंसान कितनी मात्रा में है, या कुछ जानवर कितनी मात्रा में, या कुछ पक्षी कितनी मात्रा में. तो ऐसे एडजेक्टिव्स जो हम लोगों को किसी नॉन की मात्रा के बारे में बताता है, अमाउंट के बारे में बताता है, हाउ मच ऑफ अ नाउन इज देयर. So such adjectives, they are called adjectives of quantity. For example, there is enough food for the guest. Here the word enough is telling something about the food. How much of food? Enough. Therefore enough is an adjective of quantity. Please lend me some money. So here money is the noun and some is the adjective here, because it is telling something about money, or it is giving some information about money. How much of money? Some. That means some is again an adjective of quantity. There is little sugar left. How much of sugar? Little. That means little is again an adjective of quantity here. The same thing is said here. Next is adjective of number. What are adjectives of number? Adjectives of number tell us how many or what number of things or persons we are talking about. तो किसी नॉन के बारे में हम लोग बात करते हैं तो वो नॉन कितने नंबर में है या कितने कितने लोग हैं. अगर हम बोलते हैं पेंसिल के बारे में तो कितने पेंसिल हैं. तो लड़कों के बारे में बोलते हैं तो कितने लड़के हैं. या कुत्ते के बारे में बोलेंगे तो कितने कुत्ते हैं. या मुर्गी के बारे में बोलेंगे तो कितने मुर्गे हैं. तो जब हम लोगों को एडजेक्टिव्स अगर हम लोगों को किसी नाउन का नंबर के बारे में बताता है तो उन एडजेक्टिव्स को हम लोग बोलते हैं एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ नंबर. दे टेल अस हाउ मेनी ऑफ a noun is there, how many of things or persons or animals or birds are there about whom we are talking. For example, many students are absent today. Here you see the student is the noun here and many is the adjective here, and this adjective many, it is saying something about the students. How many students? Many students. So that means many is an adjective of number. Then next, you have made a few mistakes in your answers. So mistakes is the noun here and few is the adjective. It is telling something about the noun mistakes. How many mistakes? Few. So few is an adjective of number. All the teachers were present in the meeting. So the teachers is the noun here and all, the word all, it is an adjective here because it is telling us, giving us information about the teachers. So how many teachers? All. That means all is an adjective of number. So the same thing is said here. There are 20 students in 5th class. So how many students? How many students? What is the number of students? 20. That means here again 20 is adjective of number. So in the above sentences, words like many, few, all and 20 tell us the number of students, mistakes, teachers and students respectively. Therefore, they are all adjectives of number. Then possessive adjective. What are possessive adjectives? Adjectives that show ownership are called possessive adjectives. That tell us a certain thing belongs to whom. Actually they are pronouns, but since they are used with nouns, they act as adjectives. तो adjectives of possession या possessive adjectives वो adjectives हैं जो हम लोगों को ये बताता है कि किसी चीज़ का मालिक कौन है या कोई आदमी किस चीज़ का मालिक है. तो आज जब हम लोग को ऑनरशिप के बारे में बताता है, पोसेशन के बारे में बताता है, ऑनरशिप मीन्स तो मालिक, ऑनर कि किसी चीज़ का ऑनर है, तो उसके बारे में बताने वाले एडजेक्टिव्स को हम लोग पोसेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स बोलते हैं. देखो एग्जांपल, दिस इज माय कार. तो ये जो कार है नाउन है, तो इसका आगे में ये जो माय वर्ड लगा हुआ है ये इसमें एडजेक्टिव का काम कर रहा है. माय तो नो डाउट इट इज़ द प्रोनाउन, बट हियर इट इज़ प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ एडजेक्टिव बिकॉज it is qualifying the noun. It is telling something about or giving some information about the noun car. Therefore my is an adjective here and it is the possessive adjective. Whose car? My car. Whose car मालूम मालिक कौन है, मालिक के बारे में बता रहा है, कार का मालिक के बारे में, इसलिए ये जो my है possessive adjective. And where is your book? तो फिर ये बुक के बारे में, बुक का मालिक का बारे में पूछ रहा है. तो again you are is a possessive adjective here. He has found his answers to his questions. तो आंसर्स और क्वेश्चंस का बारे में जो ये वर्ड हिस है, ये जो कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा है. Whose answers? His. तो आंसर्स का मालिक का बारे में ये वर्ड जो हिस है ये हम लोगों को कुछ आइडिया दे रहा है, इसलिए ये यहाँ पर possessive adjectives है. In the above sentences, the underlined words my, your and his tell us as to who is the owner of the car, book and answers and person. So they are functioning as adjectives, showing ownership. Some other possessive adjectives are, तो यहाँ पर दिया है my, your, his, इसके अलावा और भी है, वो है our, her, its, their. तो possessive adjectives total they are 7 in number: our, her, its, their, his, your, my. तो ये सब जो है pronouns, इसको हम लोग possessive adjectives कहते हैं. Then last one is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives is a bit easy. Demonstrative adjectives. So what are demonstrative adjectives? The words used to point out particular persons or things are called demonstrative adjectives. The demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these and those. तो demonstrative adjective वो वर्ड्स है जो हम लोग किसी नाउन का तरफ में पॉइंट करने के लिए यूज़ करता है, किसी नाउन का तरफ में उंगली से इशारा करने के लिए हम लोग जो इस्तेमाल करता है, ऐसे एडजेक्टिव्स को हम लोग बोलते हैं डेमोस्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. तो डेमोस्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स है दिस, दैट, दीज एंड दोस. तो सेंटेंस में कैसा यूज़ होता है देखो, दिस टेबल इज मेड ऑफ वुड. तो ये जो टेबल के बारे में ये जो वर्ड दिस जो है इस टेबल नाउन टेबल के बारे में कुछ बोल रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ पर ये एडजेक्टिव का काम कर रहा है. दैट इज वाई दिस इज एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ demonstration or it is a demonstrative adjective. Likewise, that girl is Rani, my friend. These potatoes are rotten. Those mountains are snow-clad. तो ये सब जितना वर्ड्स है दिस, दैट, दीज एंड दोस, ये सब हम लोगों को किसी नाउन का तरफ में पॉइंटिंग करने के लिए हम लोग इसका यूज़ करते हैं and they are used as demonstrative adjectives. So this was all about the kinds of adjectives.